Hello, my name is Ben, analyst with BetterTrader. I'm back with another video on how you can use the backtester to the best of your advantage and how you can go in depth with it. So I've introduced the calendar and the trade ideas in multiple videos. I'll link them down below if you don't know much about them. But once you do, you will see that each event card, let's say this one, Construction PMI by the Great Britain, and it has an impact of 3 exclamation points. And as a result, much stronger and has multiple trade ideas. So this is an excellent candidate to trade. Let's take a look at all the possibilities. So the backtester will show you all the historical situations that were similar and give you statistics upon it. So if you click on the card as well on the left, you can see the trade ideas, some insights on ranges, whether it's a surprise, and some details on the past and what happened in the past. So furthermore, if you really want to trade it, you can look at the different ideas here, 4 out of 4 times, 100% success rate. So let's look at these charts in the past. This time we definitely reached our sell target from the entry price. Again, really big dip. Again, reached our sell target, and again reached our sell target. So this is a fairly good trade idea, I would say, based on the charts. Let's always consider other possibilities though. So 3 out of 3 times the British pound and Japanese yen. Currency pair move down as well. 2 out of 3 times, 2 out of 3 times. Let's see the Japanese yen. Okay, it did go down a little bit, went down a little bit, went down a little bit. Seems like this one doesn't fluctuate as much as the other one, so I'll highly consider the other one. So this is how you can use BetterTrader as a statistics provider and analysis company rather than a company that provides you with trade ideas that are, may be true and might be gambling. You can really take advantage of this even before the release, right? Take a look at something that's 3 impact bars and you look at it beforehand to prepare yourself. What you can do is if you refresh the page, you go to the backtester. You can look at something like this, right? The unemployment rate, you can prepare for something like this. The unemployment rate, which obviously is a really important release, and the potential trade ideas. Like 8 out of 9 times the S&P 500 moved up following all weaker. So whenever it's weaker, the unemployment rate goes up, which is what we consider weaker. The S&P 500 moved up. So let's look at all the charts here. This one obviously exceeded our expectations, and you see these are all reaching our profit targets. This is a really good one. This is also a really good one. It's just steadily going up. Obviously, there are going to be fluctuations, but if you follow our ideas with when you should enter the market and what your profit targets and stop losses should be, you are following the statistics and you should be playing a winning game.
Okay, so in conclusion, using BetterTrader and especially the backtester to your full advantage, which means looking at the charts, looking at all the statistics, can really lead you to make the right decisions in the market and to profit ultimately. So now, good luck and happy trading.